All right, this is going to be our last Manitowoc load chart, lattice boom crawler or LBC for your LBC specialty. In this PowerPoint, there are extra PowerPoint. There are more load charts. I do have extra load charts if you want them. Message me at craneseth88@outlook.com, and I will send you extra load charts because I do have many more. But this is all we really need on for the PowerPoint. So we're gonna go ahead get started here. Okay, we automatically know. What do we have here? We have our configuration, crawlers extended, 179,000 pounds and 44,000 pounds counterweight. Line pull is 29,500 pounds. And I do need to delete some stuff that I missed. Um, so we're gonna go down here. We're gonna find out what we're gonna find out first is what we're picking from. So I can look over here, find out we're picking from the main block because we have our 500-pound ball that's one power line below, 10 foot below the tip. So all I need to do is figure out my deduction for my jib. My deduction for my jib is 2,700 pounds. We'll get to that here in a minute as we work down the list. So we have our main boom length is 120 feet. Our main boom length is 120 feet, and we do not have a we only have degrees. Our boom angle is 58.3 degree. I'm gonna move that up into here. Alright, we got our 58.3 degrees. And the next one, we don't have a radius, we don't have a either others. So we move up to our jib extension. So this is where we can put our jib extension in because we know there's a deduction for it since we're not using it. And our block is 2,175 pounds. 1,175 pounds. And again, we have X4, so 4 parts line. And we're going to times that by 2 uh, by our tip height. So if we have 110 foot of tip height, that's going to be, we're going to just automatically go up to 120 or 220 because we're just going to double that. So we'll do 220 times 4, or we can do 8 times 110. However that works out, we just do 2 times per line pull, or 2 2 times our parts, each part of the line times our tip height. So if we have 110, we would do our 120 times 4, and so on. So now we're going to go ahead and find our chart, or our ball. We can go ahead and do our ball here. Ball is 500 pounds. 500 pounds. Oh, about 200. 500 pounds. Forward slash. I'm going to do 1 part forward slash and 10 below. 10 below the tip. Our next one is our rigging. Our rigging, we have 310 pounds of rigging. So I'll put that in here. 310. Alright, now we know, and that's 10 foot below the tip, so we know we have an auxiliary line deduction of 20 pounds because it's 2 pounds a foot on the lattice boom as opposed to 1 pound a foot on the hydro or the Grove hydro. So the main line, we don't know what our main line deduction is going to be yet. So we're going to go down here to our 120 foot boom chart. We'll zoom in on this so you guys can see that a little better. So this is our 120 foot chart. 179 pounds counterweight, 44,360 degree rating. So we're gonna go over here a little bit. So we're gonna find our 100. We're gonna find our 58.3 degrees. So right here is the 58.3 degrees. That gives us 109 foot tip height and boom capacity in pounds. So we got our crawlers extended. Lost it here. 70 foot. We're gonna go 70,900 pounds that's going to be our gross capacity. So we'll do 70,900. 70,900. And we have 109 foot tip height. So 109 is our tip height. And yeah, so now we'll go ahead. We can find out our line deduction for our main line deduction. So we'll just, this is how I'm going to do it, 109 times 2, because that already gives me my 2 pounds a foot. Then I'll just times the 218 is 218. We'll times that by 4, because that's how many parts of line I have. That's going to be 872 pounds. That is going to be our line deduction for our main block. 872 pounds is our line deduction. Alright, now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deductions, and over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deductions. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those are our deductions. So we'll go ahead and we're going to add our deductions up. We have 2,700 plus 2,175 for our block, plus 500 for our ball, plus 310 for rigging, plus 20 for auxiliary line, plus 872 for our main line. And that's going to be 6,577 is going to be our deductions. I'll put that there like I normally do, and we'll also put it up here, 6,577. So we're going to take 70,900 minus 6,577, and that is going to give us our answer of 64,323. And we'll come down here, check out. There's our answer, 64,323. So this is going to conclude our CTCS slideshow PowerPoint presentation. If you have any questions, click on the box up at the very top with the Crane Training Consulting logo. That is going to take you directly to the PowerPoint, or message me from the website, or you also have my my personal number. Message me there or call me there. If I don't answer, I'll get right back to you as soon as possible. But try reaching out through the Discord first, make things easier on everybody. So thank you. It's been a pleasure, and have a good day.